Hello friends, welcome to my channel with me Vandita. Today in this video I'm going to show you this beautiful alpine stitch which is in two colors. So let's start. It's two colors, and with this wool I'm using 6 number crochet which is 3.5 mm. So let's start. We will start to make a slip knot, or you can start like this also. Okay, I'm making 17 chains. You can make chains according to your project. Okay, after that skip one chain and into second chain one double crochet, one double crochet in the next chain, and one more double crochet in the next chain. This is my double crochet basic line. I'm making double crochet in every chain. And this is my last double crochet. Chain 1, turn over, and start to make single crochet in every chain. This is my single crochet basic line, like this. And this is my last chain, and this is my last single crochet. Now it's time to join my second color like this. Turn over, make one double crochet in first chain, now into the second double crochet, just insert your hook behind this double crochet and put your wool like this and make a double crochet. This is my first alpine stitch. Make a double crochet in second chain, and again insert your hook like this and make a double crochet. One double crochet in next chain, again insert your hook behind the double crochet and make a double crochet like this. Again double crochet, one double crochet in the next chain, like this. Okay, I have now two chains in last, so I am making two double crochet in last. Chain 1, turn over, now make single crochet basic line, or you can say single crochet in every chain. Okay, this is my last stitch, and this is my last single crochet. I am changing my wool or color, make a chain of second color like this. Now turn over, first double crochet in first chain. Now one more double crochet on this alpine stitch. Now I am making a front double crochet from the last double crochet like this. One double crochet on this alpine stitch, and next will be front of this stitch. One double crochet in the next chain and one from the front of this double crochet. One double crochet in the next chain, just insert your hook behind this double crochet and put your wool like this and make a double crochet. One double crochet in the next stitch. Now in last I had 2 double crochet and I'm making a alpine stitch in last also, and this is my last double crochet, so a double crochet in last chain, chain 1. This will look like this. Turn over, and this is my single crochet basic line. And this is last chain. I'm changing my color like this. Now make a chain with pink color and turn over. And this is my pink row. First double crochet. Now second, just like my second row, I'm making again from front side a double crochet on this stitch, simple double crochet, next stitch from front and one double crochet in the next chain. Your pattern will look like this. I hope you like this video, so please like this video, share with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel for more videos and more patterns. Thank you. Keep watching.